Right now, we are collecting all this universal chi, letting it move through our bodies. And the next time you come down, place your hands over your dantian, nourish your chi. And relax. All right. Just shake it out a little bit. Maybe a little tapping over your back. Shake your legs out. Getting close to our time. A little bit around the front. Stimulate those internal organs. Then for the legs, tap down the backs of the legs, up the fronts. Down the hips, down the backs, up the fronts. The next time you're at the top, just do a little bit of extra tapping. Then hold, relax, take a couple nice breaths. And then with the knees bent, do just gentle, slow upper body circles. Reverse. Good. And come on back. Just lift and drop a few times. Check in with your body. Are we good? Good. All right. I need to get a sip of water. Don't go too far. We've got time. If you're good, just hang tight for a moment or move around any other way you need to. All right. Oh, cool. All right. Okay, so here's what I'd like to share with you all. I'm facing them so I can see them. And one of my metaphysical teachers, I love this example. He said, imagine this string that runs all the way up to as far up in the universe as you can get, passing through the center of your body and all the way down into the earth, as deep and far into the earth as you can. Now, imagine that every single person on the planet is standing. If every single person on the planet is standing right now, at the center we are all connected. I love that as a visual, especially for a day like today. So take a moment, just think about that visual. Imagine people all around the globe sharing in this wave of healing energy, consciousness, health and healing for ourselves, each other, the planet. So we have that visual, we have this goal, we have this intention of this global healing day. Our bodies are nice and relaxed. Make sure your feet are comfortable. Set your intention. We'll kick off the energy from Fairlawn, Akron, Ohio, and send it on its way. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in as you come up, squeeze your arms together, breathe out, to each other. Breathe in as you make fists, chest and nose open, breathe out, and stand. Repeat at your own tempo. Finish the next one. Place your hands on Dantian and nourish your chi. Gratitude ritual. Let your arms float up, palms down. Connect to that grounding, lovely earth chi. Turn it over, waves of the ocean. Palms up. Connect to that expansive, inspiring heaven chi. Bring those yin and yang energies together as you bring your hands down to heart center and feet back together. Pause there for a moment. Think, I am blessed. And then bow to each other, to the time that we spent together, to the teachers who come before us. This beautiful day, healing, peace. So this will conclude our part of the YouTube live, and we're going to play some Tai Chi and some Qigong. So I hope you will join us sometime. If you're interested in my classes, you may reach me. So thank you for being here. I'd love to get some of your comments, how you're doing today, and thank you for being here.